Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a simple doweling jig. This is a very useful tool for joining boards together and giving strength to some weaker joints such as a butt joint. It also is a lot cheaper than going out and buying a domino or biscuit joiner. It only takes about 10 minutes to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. To start off, I found a scrap piece of wood I had in the garage. The approximate dimensions of the piece is about 3 inches by 3 inches. I marked off 3/4 of an inch from both sides of the piece and marked the center. The center mark is going to be important later. I then transferred the 3/4 inch marks from the sides to the edge of the wood and found the middle. The piece is about 3/4 of an inch thick, so the center line was at 3/8 of an inch. I took the piece over to the drill press and drilled the holes into the wood. It is important that these holes are 90 degrees or the jig is not going to work the way it should. I checked with a digital protractor before drilling. Make sure that you're using a drill bit that works for the size dowels that you're going to be using. Footage is a little blurry, but my camera's been acting up a little. Once the holes were drilled, I cut out a piece of hard plastic that I had in the garage that's the same width of the wood and about double in length. Plastic on the wood, checking that the center line lined up with the center line we marked off earlier. I scored the center line on the plastic with a box cutter, but decided I need to draw over it with a marker to make sure that it stood out and was easy to see. I then used some crazy glue to hold the plastic to the wood, and the jig is complete. This was super easy to make, and you can make one for every size dowel that you want to use. One last tip. You can drill the holes a little bigger than the dowels you want to use and put metal inserts in. This will keep the jig from getting ruined over time and will make it last a lot longer. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Don't forget to comment down below any feedback that you have that might improve this jig.